in front of you, Mr. Patrick, and today we are privileged to take you through performing of measurement works 1. This being our unit of competence. And the session for today, we have squaring of dimension. The objective of this session, that is by the end of this session, the trainee should be able to book dimensions correctly on the dimension paper. Now class, we have the 4 columns of dimension paper, and these columns are portrayed here. We have the canvassing column, squaring. This is not the squaring column, this size. This dimension column, and this one is the squaring column. Today, we are going to learn all this to achieve the main objective of our session. First, let me welcome my colleague to take us through the squaring part. Thank you.
Thank you, class. I'm Victor Ramos. As my colleague has said, today we are going to learn about how to use a dimension table and the measure. We are going to learn how to square or how to do the readings. So, as he has said, by the end of the day, a learner training should be able to book the dimension from a dimension table. And in dimension table, we are going to look at the squaring dimension. The squaring dimension is this part. The middle part is the square. This is the square part. We are going to learn today. So, the square part, as you understand, class, the square means what? To square means what? To square means two things have been multiplied to get a general outcome. So this means what? It means that maybe take for example there's an area of a rectangle. An area of a rectangle. Whereby we want to say that we assume that this length, let's say for example to be 20 meters. Width to be, for example, to be 20 meters. In order to find the area of this rectangle field, we have to find the area. So, class, how can we find the area? Let me give a hand to come and find for us. Welcome. Colleagues, do for us. How do you find it?
Area. Length times width.
Yes, that is nice.
The length here is
20 meters.
20 times 12 is 140.
Thank you. Can you clap for him? Yes, find the area of this field. I have to say length times width. And our length is 20 meters. We multiply by 12 meters to give us 20 meters squared. This now square means you have times 2 the coordinates. So, in this part, that is the length. You have to look to a length here. You say, length in a dimension, this is a dimension sign. Dimension column. This one is a dimension column. This is a square column. And this times column. So we are measuring on a square level. So we say length, which is
20 plus
this length. Now say length times the width to give you an area. This means this length is 20 meters.
2 decimal.
Times the width, which is 12 meters. You multiply these values, two values, to give you an area of 240. So that area of 240, you write it in a column of square column. So you say 12 times 20, which is 240. So you say 12 times this one, you write down here 240. Then you underline. So this shows that you have cross multiply to find the area, so that the value you will find it, the last finding, you will put it in a square area or canvas. So class, I know most of you have one. How this happened? This is how the booking is being done. In case you have been given, let's say for example, maybe the circle, area of a circle. Maybe, let's say for example, you have given the diameter be 14 meters or centimeters. Any can fit. Let's say 14 meters. So you have to find the area. How can you find the area of circle? Yes, Mr. Davis, come show for us how you find the area of a circle. Yes, continue. Pi answer. Let them, for example, your pi is 22 over 7. Yes. Continue.
The radius,
Which is 14. 14. 1, 2. This is 14. 2. This is 44 times 14. Now. Yes, thank you. So your area is 616 meter square. So you say your area is equal to 616 meters square. So you say when you want to book these values, you will say the length and the radius which you will be given 14. So you say the area is equal to pi. You write your pi here. You say you are pi here.
3.
Yes. So when you want to book it, you say the area, outside the area, that is pi. Right, your pi here, pi r square. Pi r square. We have seen we take our value to 2 over 7 times 14 square, which is 14 times 14. Which is will be 22 over 7 times 196. So the area will be 616. You put it like that. So after this part, we have now put our dimension for the square column. This is the square column. So that is my end of my step and that part. Then you enter my fellow to come and summarize for us the other session. So welcome.
now my fellow trainees, as you be taught by your trainers, now you can review or make a recap of what you've been learned on perform measurement works. Then again, I'll ask to give you an assignment. During your weekend, go and visit the site. Visit the sites over the weekend, take photos of the dimension sheet papers.